foodies. I am Kirti and I create tasty and healthy recipe videos on Trail. On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, let's make Papa's favorite modaks. So today we will make modaks in three different ways. First one is traditional steamed and stuffed modak. Second one is cashew mawa modak and third one is chocolate modak. So let's get started.
Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the kadhai. Then add 1 bowl of fresh grated coconut and roast it in a ghee for few minutes. Now add a bowl of jaggery to it along with the half bowl of sugar. Mix it nicely till sugar and jaggery melts. Keep stirring on a medium flame. Now we can see the jaggery and sugar has melted properly. Now add the crushed cashews and the cardamom powder to it and mix everything well. And the stuffing for the steamed modak is ready. To make a modak cover, roll out small puris from the wheat dough. Now add the prepared modak stuffing in the middle of it and start making the plates overlapping each other. At last, gather all the pleats together and pinch in the middle. Similarly, make all the modaks and steam them for 10 minutes. And the modaks are ready. Now let's make cashew mawa modak. Add 1 bowl fresh mawa to the kadhai and heat it on a low flame. Now add 1 spoon of saffron milk and 1 bowl cashew powder to the mawa. Quickly mix it together and transfer it to the plate. Now add cardamom powder and the powdered sugar. Now mix everything together and the cashew mawa mixture is ready. Now take the modak mold and open it. Then apply ghee inside the modak mold. Now take the small portion of mawa mixture and put it in the mold and gently press it with the hand. Similarly, stuff other side of mold with the mawa mixture. And then close the mold and gently press it. Now remove the excess mawa that has come out and gently open the modak mold. And our beautiful mawa modak is ready. Now let's make chocolate dry fruit modak. Here I have taken the chocolate modak mold and 1 bowl of melted chocolate. Add a spoon of melted chocolate to each cavity. After filling it with chocolate, take a clean and dry spoon and spread the melted chocolate inside the mold by using this spoon. Coat the chocolate properly on each side. Now take crushed cashews and almonds and add a spoon of it in the center of each mold. Finally, add the melted chocolate on the top of each mold and cover the dry fruits. To remove the excess air, gently tap the mold 2-3 times and refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, demold them and they are ready. This Ganesh Chaturthi, try this Bappa's favorite modak recipes. And enjoy!